So there is a presumption of joint managing conservatorship in Texas, which is basically shared rights and duties of both parents over the children, as opposed to sole managing conservatorship, in which one parent may have some exclusive rights. And the factors that go into that are basically if a parent has a pattern or history of abuse or neglect, which deems safety of the child unsuitable, the courts may award one parent a little bit more rights over the other. Best interest of the children is the utmost importance in a divorce and custody case. Courts really pay attention to that. They look at the child's well-being, stability, relationship with each parent, and also history of the parent themselves, whether they have any pattern of abuse or neglect, or whether they're stable, or if there are factors that make them unsafe. The courts factor all of those things in to determine the best interest of their child. Basically, they want to make sure that everything that's put in place will be in the best interest of the child. In order for you to change any custody orders, you have to file what's called a petition to modify the previous orders. You can't automatically change custody. You have to show the court change in circumstances, and you have a really high burden to prove that something has changed so drastically that the court needs to change custody. There are many reasons to do a modification and try to change custody. One of the reasons is that circumstances of the parent has changed. They need to relocate. Their job has changed. The needs of the child has changed. Maybe one parent who initially had custody is unable to attend to the needs of the child, and the other parent now wants to step up and take that role. So most court orders in Texas have a geographic restriction placed on the child. So the other parent can't just decide to get up and move with the child. If they wish to move for any given reason, whether it's remarriage, relocation of a job, or simply they want to move to a different city, they have to petition to the court to lift the geographic restriction. Or unless the other parent is in agreement and they file an agreed order. If you're going through a custody dispute and have any questions, give us a call at Kamal Law Firm. We can answer your questions.